Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, if the air conditioner does not blow cold air, what can easily cause that? We will demonstrate on this generation GMC Yukon. If you have a Yukon XL, it will work as well. The only difference between the two vehicles is that the XL is longer, but they're built on the same platform. The first thing to check is the fuse for the air conditioner and the relay for the air conditioner compressor, where they're located in a fuse box under the hood. Open the hood here on the driver's side, you see that box, open that cover. Once you do that, underneath is the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here, if the AC doesn't blow cold air, we need to check one fuse, one relay for the AC compressor. By the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, refrigerant, guys, compressors, anything at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. That way you do not waste money and time. Check it out. The fuse that we need to check is fuse number 17, right here. And that's the relay for the AC compressor. Other things that can cause the AC not to work: connect, guys, one recharging kit with a gauge to the low pressure port. Check the reading. If you do not have pressure, that means you have a leak in the system. Leak can be caused by multiple things, such as leaking condenser, hose, compressor, okay, AC pressure switch, evaporator, multiple things. If you have pressure but it still doesn't work, what can often cause that? We see quite often bad AC clutch. If you want to see how to test or replace AC clutch, we have multiple videos on our channels how to do that. It could be bad AC compressor. If you want to see how to rebuild AC compressor, we have that video as well. It could be bad AC pressure switch. This is a little bitty device installed on the high pressure AC line that detects if you have enough pressure to activate the compressor. If it doesn't work correctly, it will not activate the compressor. If you want to see how to test AC pressure switch, we have these videos as well. It's not very complicated. Other things could be even bad radiator fan. If the radiator fan does not work, your air conditioner will not work, because the engine computer will deactivate it. That way the car has a lower chance to overheat. Things that can cause the radiator fan not to work could be bad radiator fan relay, or radiator fan fuse. We have these videos on our channel if you need to locate a radiator fan relay and fuse. Check your climate control fuses as well. We have that video for any of you needing it. Another thing, it could be, guys, where your AC works perfectly fine but still doesn't blow cold air because of a device like this one. Most likely you have two of those when you have a dual climate control, one on the driver, one on the passenger side. If you have a single climate control, you have one. This is known as a blind door actuator, attaches with a flap behind the dash and switches from hot to cold. On the inside you have plastic gears and a motor. Usually the gears will wear out, crack, skip, or the motor will burn, and as a result the blind door flap will be stuck to hot position, and even though the air conditioner works perfectly fine, it will blow warm air instead of cold air. If you want to find the symptoms of a bad blind door actuator, we have the videos on our channels. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.